Morning students. Today I will discuss about the maps on the basis of scales, right? So first you just keep in your mind that on the basis of scale, on the basis of scale, basis of scale, we can classify the map into two different groups. One is the large scale map, and another one is the small scale map. Now, how can you identify the map is a large scale or small scale? Suppose, for example, suppose this one our Katwa and this one our Bardwan or Bardhaman, right? And we all know that the distance between Katwa to Bardhaman is 54 kilometers, right? Now, that suppose we already took a scale that is from 1 centimeter to large scale. We need to draw, so 1 centimeter to 10 kilometer is a large scale, right? So in that condition you can see for representing 54 kilometers, right, we have to draw 54 divided by 10 equal 5.4 centimeter, because 1 centimeter equal 10 kilometer, so 54 kilometer equal 5.4 centimeter, right? So you just draw one 5.4 centimeter line. You just draw one 5.4 centimeter line from here, 5.4 centimeter line, only this much. You can see only this is small line. See, here it is Katwa, here it is Bardhaman. That means it is a long place, huge place from Katwa to Bardhaman, but the same area you can represent within that 5.4 centimeter line. Can you imagine? Because we took a large scale. You see, we took a large scale, 1 centimeter to 10 kilometer. Hence, your map will reduce. Is it clear? Your map will reduce. The size of the map will reduce. So here you can give that explanation about the large scale map. If the scale in a map is large, right? If the scale in a map is large, that time your map will reduce. Size of the map will reduce. That means scale is big, map is small. Is it clear? Very simple concept. Scale is big, so map is small. But if I will draw the same place with a small scale, see here now, instead of 1 centimeter to 10 kilometer, if I will take 1 centimeter to 2 kilometer, it is a small scale. Okay. In that condition, for representing 54 kilometer, right, what will be my map size? So 54 divided by 2 equal 27 centimeters. So previous map you already completed within 5.4 centimeter area only, but here you see you have to draw a line of 27 centimeters. So previous one it was there only 5.4. I am just showing over here also only 5.4. 5.4 same Katwa to Bardhaman, and now it became 27 centimeters from Katwa to Bardhaman. So can you compare from here? You can see that here you can see scale was there, the large scale 1 centimeter to 10 kilometer. Hence map became small. But here you see scale became small, 1 centimeter to 2 kilometer only. Okay, 1 centimeter to 2 kilometer only. Hence 1 centimeter to 2 kilometer only. You see. Hence you see the map size. Now it became so big, 27 centimeters map. Is it clear now? So the concept is scale and map. You can represent this one by a relation, right? So what will be the relation? if the scale is large, map is small, and if the scale is small, map is large. Okay. Now another one point you must keep in your mind, that if the scale is large, hmm, if the scale is large, that time you can represent a small portion of the earth's surface, but you can represent them all in much details, right or not? In much details, because when you are showing or representing an area from your earth's surface, but that maybe that area is small, but since you are representing a small area, hence you can represent each and every details of that particular area. But if the scale is small, you can represent a large area. You can see, you can represent a large area, but much details you can't represent over there because your scale is small. So each materials, each institution, each forest region, they will take more space to represent, right? Hence, in a small scale, you can represent a large area, no problem will be there, but you can't represent many details, many more details you can't represent. But in a large scale, since you are actually representing a very small area, right? Due to that, you can represent enough details over there. For example, large scale example is the topographical map, your city map, India map, your district map, because they all are a very small part of this entire world, right? But in a small scale map, you can represent the world map, right? That means the entire world you can represent by using small scale. That means you are representing a large area, but you can't represent each and every details of each and every corner of the country and corner of the world, right? Okay. So that is the concept between the large scale and small scale.